everybody, welcome to Vibe Starlight. Today we have with us one of the youngest budding photographer and the youngest lady to win Century Asia Young Naturalist Award and the International Camera Fair Award, Aishwarya Sridhar. Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great.
Thank you so much for joining Vibe Starlight and for your support.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
It's my pleasure. Thank you. So, a little about Vibe. Vibe is an art curation platform for all of the artists, and we also have an e-commerce where these artworks can be sold.
Oh, that's lovely.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. So to get us started, what got you started into photography?
Also, the way I have always been a wildlife lover since childhood because I grew up in a place called Panvel, and that was very green compared to a normal city life.
Yes.
So my childhood was spent chasing butterflies and seeing fireflies in my balcony, and uh, I used to spend my weekends bird watching, and that's how my love for wildlife started. And then what started with observation slowly changed towards documenting them, and that's how I got into wildlife photography. And then photography turned into filmmaking. So that was my journey.
That's really nice. So what are your favorite photography subjects in wildlife?
Oh, it ranges from a lot of like variety, be it in terms of big cats, there's birds. I even love photographing insects and the macro small world. So even that's very interesting. So even night sky and astrophotography for that matter. So it varies for me.
Wow. So how do you view photography as a mainstream art form?
So I basically specialize in wildlife photography and filmmaking. So that is my area. And in terms of like mainstreaming it, you get in terms of like earning money and paying your bills. Then wildlife filmmaking is the source, whereas wildlife photography is more like my hobby, compassion that I follow on the side.
Wow, that is really nice. So what has the journey been like for you?
Oh, it's been beautiful. There have been ups and downs, but overall, the journey has been very enriching. It's taught me a lot, and being an internet's child when it comes to learning photography and filmmaking, I've also like really been and seen every aspect of the whole process. So right from research to script writing to going outdoors and shooting and then directing your film, editing, presenting on camera, all of this has been in one entire, when you look at it from one entire piece.
Yes.
So yes, obviously it's been beautiful, my journey.
Well, I am a very big fan of your photographs and I absolutely
Thank
love
you.
your work.
Thank you so much.
So now, what attracted you to the art form of photography?
So I basically see photography as a magic tool which you can use to convince people and to make them fall in love with nature and bring
Absolutely.
out action from them. So you when you see something, you really get influenced much more than reading about it or maybe listening to it. So
Absolutely.
visuals have that kind of power on people.
Yes.
That's what attracted me to photography.
Wow, that is really nice. So is photography more of a mainstream art form or does it have its own indie segments?
Maybe wildlife photography is the indie segment. Because when you look at photography as an art form, there are a lot
Yeah.
of genres. You have wedding, you have street
Yes.
photography, and then you have product. So those are mainly in fashion. So probably those are the mainstream commercial forms, and wildlife is the indie side of it.
So, what has, like, apart from wildlife photography, what other types would you or have you explored in?
You mean in terms of other genres of
Yes,
photography?
genres, yeah.
Okay. I did a couple of street photography when as a teenager. Yeah, I know. During my college also, I was an editor of the college magazine. I was
Wow,
in the photography section. So yes, I have done street photography for those assignments as well.
wow, that is really nice. So, what is the one thing that you would like to say to all of our viewers and budding artists out there?
So, to all the budding artists, please follow your passion and don't let disappointments come in your way of pursuing your goal. It does happen in life, but try and rise above it and follow what you really love to do, because when you make your passion your profession, then definitely you'll be very happy in what you're doing. And also learn your craft very well, because once you've mastered your craft, then automatically you will be the best in your industry.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much for those very inspiring words. You really inspired us, and I am a really big fan of your work. It is just
Thank you.
amazing. And
Thank you, Yogita.
one thing I'd like to ask you, what do you think about the white platform?
Oh, it's really beautiful that the way you're starting all of this at such a young age. So it's very important, you nurture young people, and because we have that power. I really believe that although the youth today is just maybe 20 to 25% of our population, but we are the future at the end of it. So we should definitely be given a platform where we can showcase our work and we can network with like-minded people, and that's exactly what the Vibe is doing.
Thank you so much. Your words really mean a lot to me. And thank you so much for supporting my platform, The Artist. It was really nice to talk to you and I really had fun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Bye.